We don't have snow, but we have a blue wine that makes us happy. It's like a fake happiness. Positive thinking, right? The more I discover Christmas in Netherlands, the less I want to go out, really. Really. Oh! Christmas tree. I deserve €1, you know, why not? Last Christmas I went to Christmas market and came back with smooth wine stains and empty wallet. We drink water. I investigated Christmas markets in Netherlands, and here, seeking a Christmas mood and nostalgia, but you know what? It's turned out something else. I mean, Christmas is a season of joy, wonder, miracle expectations, right? And I used to remember Christmas as a magical time. The twinkling lights, the cozy evening, and the promise that Santa was coming down to the chimney with the gifts. You know, pure magic, pure. But then you grow up, you realize Santa is just your dad in socks. I don't even have a chimney right now. Suddenly Christmas feels a little less magical, I would say. And Christmas market just trying to rip you off with this overpriced food. I don't know, but there is still one thing everyone says will bring the Christmas magic back. Christmas markets. Christmas markets. The smell of the waffles. The sound of the carols. I don't know. The ultimate Christmas mood booster. I was thinking. Unless I decided to go and try. Saturday, 2 weeks before the Christmas. Very winter weather. And I decided like I need some winter Christmas holiday mood. Also, I decided to go to Christmas market. This Christmas market is once a year, this weekend in Haarlem. Who I am to not go there? Perhaps it's gonna be a lot of families, happy kids, Santa Claus and overpriced mulled wine, but I just need to see it. It's like things that supposed to make me holiday oriented. Why not? I need to visit every Christmas market in Netherlands. I'm a little bit puffed now because I did a fillers under my eyes. Who on earth is doing fillers and going there to Christmas market? But I don't care. I just want this overpriced warm wine. And of course, a ray. So pretty, so good. Definitely my mood is so positive today. Did you notice? I feel like I'm gonna start with the wine because nothing feels like a Christmas like a couple of warm wine. We have the rose and it starts here. Yeah. Okay. I need to smile and just start eating. That's it. What else I can do at Christmas market? Okay, this is what I need. Mag ik glühwein? Ja. Okay. But good. I think after this I will be more positive and like be able to explore more, because now it's just like a crowded place that completely not in the Christmas mood. Because when I was a little, every time this Christmas time was so magical, but now I just see this, what I see actually. Especially this rain made this Christmas so Christmassy. Little Santa. The Santa we deserve today. I think it's time to try this. Because why not? I live already 2.5 years here and I still haven't tried this stroopwafels like in a proper way. Or no, but I know it's too sweet, but I mean, let's imagine I tried. I can see anything special. Basically, it's just a dough with a powder, with a sugar powder. Healthy? No. Tasty? Yes. Would I try it again? No. I'm not a perfect target market for this Christmas fairies with Christmas bazaar, I would say. But yeah, I'm just being so critical because it's true. Rain gives this special vibe. What else I need to see? Some overpriced cookies that I wouldn't buy. Spanish churros. What is going on? This is so Dutch, but I think churros is even sweeter than stroopwafels. What the hell is that? Finally, music. We have music. Yeah, I think this is their fans. This is her fans. I feel better, but not that much better to dance. I'm explorer. And of course, patat. How without patat? Patat everywhere in Netherlands. But patat is something that I eat every day, so I'm just gonna skip that. So far, I like only wine. I don't know why, but after church, I feel like I want to smoke. Is that a bad sign? And what is this? Cheers. Oh, this is a more interesting thing. Oh my god. You're gonna ask me if I'm excited? I will tell you later. Nothing says Christmas spirit like a hot dog for 10 euro. Can just drink this warm wine for 5.50, but they also need to eat. Right?
I wish you a Merry Christmas
and Happy New Year. Probably I just need to eat the sausage and throw it away. Warm wine, glue wine, which is warm wine, glue wine, another glue wine, which is the drink of this festival. I suppose people only do this here. I think this is just a sign, and it's a cannabis shop. Wow. Maybe if I tell them that I'm Maximilian, they're gonna give me a free joint, but it's not what I need right now. Do I want to do the same? I don't think so. Okay, I think it's time to go to Amsterdam. I seen all. And this lady, I don't even know what they're doing there. I can assume this is the Christmas market ladies. The same like who's working in the red light district? Oh no. Why even think about that? Okay, this is definitely for kids. Okay, I think it's time to go home. Oh no, today is official Christmas tree lighting in Amsterdam. Maybe that would be... I don't even know. Do you ask me if I feel Christmas vibe after this? I would say yes. Am I excited? No. But I'm gonna keep exploring Christmas market in Netherlands and find the perfect one. This Christmas tree is so humble. It's just yelling, I'm €1. There is no even lightning there. Yeah, but back there I have zero mood to celebrate anything and to feel anything, because it's like rain, you know, all the time. We don't have snow. I don't remember how snow looks. The last time I saw snow was when I was a child and we were doing this Christmas snowman. It's like dinosaurs right now. I don't even know, will I ever see the snow again due to this global warming? But it's not about this. As you see, that was not typical Christmas market. I wasn't ready to give up. So yes, in a general sense of why did I leave my couch for this? But hey, I wasn't ready to give up on the Christmas magic mood and just yet. Yeah, so I decided maybe, just maybe, the official Christmas tree lighting in Amsterdam could save the evening. I mean, how could a giant tree and twinkling lights disappointed, right? Right? Now I'm in Amsterdam and going for official Christmas tree lighting. Yeah, I'm like a, you know, a dopamine seeker. I'm a Christmas vibe seeker. Trying to find something that makes me feel that the holidays. Okay, today it's 6. It should be a lightning. There's some music, but there's nothing much to do here. Only maybe they also have some warm wine. God loves you. Jesus is the Lord. Yeah, makes sense. But I need some alcohol, not Jesus. Wait. Hoeveel?
Nee,
Kosten?
maar pas als de kerstboom aangaat.
Oké, mag je eentje?
Nee, als de kerstboom aangaat, krijg je eentje. Pas als de kerstboom aangaat, 6 uur ongeveer, dan delen we uit gratis.
Ah, oké.
Ja? Dus even geduld hebben.
Geduld. Okay. I assume all of these people waiting for this free warm wine here. And once the Christmas tree is lighting, we all gonna receive it. Good. Let's wait. It was that. Because nothing can better than free wine. I hope it's gonna be beautiful. Because now it's just a tree. Something is going on here. Warm wine and go home. But it's not still, it's not lightening. It's not light still, they are just talking a lot. Oh, here is this. And I have 2% in my phone. Okay, done. Okay, where is this free wine? Actually, nothing special. I thought it was gonna be better. But honestly, it's not even a warm wine free. It's a cacao. I'm out of it. This Christmas tree even better than the official Amsterdam Christmas tree, and this Christmas tree belongs to the shop. Let's just say it didn't impress me at all. I don't know, maybe I was expecting fireworks, choir, Christmas choir with 100 people per, I don't know, some magical moments where I would suddenly feel the Christmas spirit. Instead I got a tree with a light. That's it. Just like this. I don't know. Nevertheless, I still give it a try. I decided to go to the other Christmas market in Amsterdam, and everything what I saw wasn't impressed me. Me on me. Again, this rain, mud, and overpriced food. What a scam. Enjoy. It's still rainy, it's still Amsterdam, it's still winter, Christmas time, and I'm investigating the Christmas market, what we have. I saw some Christmas market very nearby, and after the haircut I decided like I need to go there. It's just local little Christmas market. Let's check. So what we see now, rain again. I am me, and people have a protest here. They don't scare of rain. And here is some of a Christmas market I am going to explore. Even if it's rain, I already get used to this. Yeah, there someone protesting, here people just fasting, just having a celebration. Protest, celebration. So we go to celebrate, not protest. Okay, what we can see here, a lot of people, I think it's gonna be, oh, a ski. I'm not going there, period, because it's not even ski. I think it's like a paddle. I better gonna find some alcohol. I bet they have a glue wine as usual in the Christmas market, so yeah, that's more fun. You see? We get used to rain in Netherlands, so even this rain will not ruin our Christmas mood. That's what they think. Probably me too. God, it's so much food here that's probably overpriced as usual. Yeah, but who cares? Yeah, it looks like a crepe, but it tastes like a crap. Tried it before, so don't even ask me why. This, you see? It's just for Instagram, but it costs like €5. I'm not gonna buy it. Just to have an Instagram photo with all of this chips that cost for €5. No, thank you. I better drink wine. Also, they have here pictures that no one knows. Who cares about these pictures for all the money in the world? Some hats and scarves. Oh my god, really? It's definitely a scam. No, thank you. Found. We are going there. €5. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mag ik glühwein alstublieft? €5. Can you imagine? Such a scam. And people coming here for the Christmas mood with their friends, not alone, with their friends, with everyone else, to receive this piece of a Christmas, drinking the glühwein, buying some overpriced crap, skiing in the puddle. It's not even an ice there because it's melted because we have a rain. Yeah. Positive thinking, right? Instead of the snow, we have this puddles, mud. And yeah, basically that's Christmas in the Netherlands. We don't have snow, but we have a glühwein that makes us happy. It's like a fake happiness. Oh, so cool! So great.
So.
And it's not even Dutch, it's Spanish sweet dessert that have so much sugar in it. I can't even have it. I'm 36, come on, I don't need sugar in my life. The more I discover Christmas in Netherlands, the less I want to go out, really. Really. Oh.